Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enter Android recovery mode on the Zebra TC52. Now recovery mode is used for factory resets, for operating system updates, for troubleshooting boot issues and system recovery. So here is how you can do it. So as you can see, this is your Zebra TC52 device. So over here, first of all, you need to simply press and hold the power button, which will be located over here. You can also take a look at this particular image and you will find the power button over here on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you just have to simply press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. So when the power menu appears in front of you, you will be shown this first option of reboot system now, and sometimes you will also see the option of restart. Just do not let the device fully reboot yet, because we will need to press the hardware button during the startup. So as soon as the device begins restarting, you just have to simply press and hold the PTT button, which is also known as push to talk button, which will be located on the left side of the TC52. So this is the PTT button over here. You need to simply press and hold it. Now do not press the yellow scan button. After basically continue holding the PTT button until the device vibrates. After the vibration, the Android system recovery screen should appear automatically, and once you see the recovery screen, you just have to release the button, and inside recovery mode simply use the volume up and the volume down buttons, and then you just have to basically move through the menu options. Now over here, as I've told you earlier, the first option would be of rebooting, and here you will find the power off option as well. So simply select the power off option and then you just have to simply basically restart it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.